If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Getting your lettuce to last longer? I'll show you how. So there's a number of ways in which you can get your lettuce, your leaf lettuce or your romaine lettuce, to last longer, your butter crunch lettuce, fill in the blank lettuce. One is to plant as early as you possibly can. Lettuce is very hardy. You can also direct seed it, and then when the temperatures are warm enough, it will germinate. Secondly, what you can do is put it in partial shade to trick the plant to believing the days are not as long as they actually are. We're on the porch or on the deck. The sun comes up over here in the morning, and then by not even midday, it gets over the roof and this becomes a shaded area. The plants are day length sensitive. Yeah, heat has some effect on them, yes, but the day length has more of an effect on them than the heat does. So what we can do here is I've got this planting box that I found. It's made out of oak. It's about 30 inches long by about 9-10 inches wide, about 10 inches wide. So I've got a variety of different lettuces here that we're going to plant, and they're in a variety of different stages. So the succession, you're actually succession planting here all at the same time. So we'll leave a little spot for leaf lettuce, and we'll just direct sow that once we get all this done. So I've got some, first we'll start with some red romaine lettuce. Red romaine will grow vertically, kind of a cylinder type of shape. So I can get 2 in here. Anytime you're planting anything, lettuce, potatoes, tomatoes, whatever the case is, you want to think about what the end result is going to be. So I'm going to take one out. You can tease the roots if you want. Now this is just good, well-balanced potting soil here, and we'll add some sustained fertilizer, which now that I think about it, I need to add that first. And what we're going to do, with a leaf lettuce or your greens, you can add more nitrogen and get away with it. If you're growing for the fruit or the root, you want to back down on your nitrogen. If you're growing for the greens or the leaves, you can add more nitrogen. But again, follow the recommendations on the back of the package. This is an 828. Your nitrogen's a little higher. These greens or even the red romaine lettuce will benefit from it. So I know based on my hand how much it's required based on the back of the package. And we do want to work it in, and this will slow feed the plants. The sustain is derived from turkey litter and pine bark, so it's a more natural, environmentally friendly type of fertilizer. So now we can add throw the red romaine up here. Tease the roots. Again, you want to plant it at no farther depth than what it is coming out of the container. Push that there. Have another one here. And you can figure out, we're going to have another one here. And I can pack them in a little tighter. If you've got some leaves here that are kind of torn a little bit, some of those will come back, others won't, but it'll fix itself. So I can put that a little tighter. I'm leaving 3 inches between these plants. Alright, let's put that there. And another one here. And then I'll get another one. I've got one more that I can put and fill that in. So now what we can do is, I've got red romaine here that I've started from seed that I can transplant in there. So not all of this will get done at the same time. And this is Butter Crunch compact head lettuce, compact head, miniature head lettuce, essentially. Some of this is started early. So this is a great way to increase your harvest of your cool weather crops by putting them in partial shade. And we want to keep this watered. If you're in this scenario, just remember, this here is siding. It will reflect that light, and it will put a lot of light in this box early on in the morning, but the morning sun is typically less intense than the evening sun. So if you're trying to grow leaf lettuce, try to grow it in partial shade. You'll be amazed of how much longer it will last. As well as we found growing red romaine lettuce outlast green romaine lettuce, and it doesn't get nearly as bitter as quick.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.